Acids and bases are a really interesting thing to discuss when you're talking about chemistry. So what I've in fact got here is I've got something which is called the pH scale. So it's lowercase p and capital H, and this tells us all about things which are acidic. So battery acid is acidic, hydrochloric acid in the stomach, lemon juice, vinegar, orange juice is a bit acidic. These are all acidic things. And on the other end of the pH scale, drain cleaner, sodium hydroxide, soapy water, all these things are basic. They have similar but I suppose opposite properties. So these are the acids, these are the bases, and 7 is in fact neutral. So 7 is neither acidic nor basic, and pure water is a neutral material. So we have all sorts of chemicals in the science lab, and all around, even in the kitchen. So a good way to test to see if something is acidic or if it's basic is to use something called indicator paper, or some sort of indicator, some acid-base indicator. So you can get some paper here. So if you get this paper and you put this paper into hydrochloric acid, then it will show you that the paper will change color to show you that it's quite acidic. If you put it in some bleach, again it would change color, but it would change a different color. It would kind of be bluish really for a base. So indicators is a way that we can tell how acidic or basic something is. Also interestingly, if you mix an acid and a base, a really violent reaction, often be really bubbly reaction, will take place. And it's actually called a neutralization reaction. So we've got an acid and a base, and when you mix them, the end product is not acidic or basic, it's neutral. So it's been neutralized. Acid and a base, you mix them, you get a salt, and you also get water. An example here would be hydrochloric acid's a really full-on acid, quite dangerous acid, and sodium hydroxide is a really quite dangerous base. But if you mix them together, you get sodium chloride, that is table salt. You put it on your fish and chips. And water, well, that's certainly not too dangerous at all. So yeah, if you mix acids and bases together, you've basically made a neutralization reaction, which results in salt and water forming. So that's a little bit about acids and bases.